May start now. May I start, sir?
Yes.
So, hey guys, this is Apurva in front of you all now. So today I'm here to introduce myself, also my class. Not to this class, to that class which is in the old house of Sir now. So friends, let me start from my introduction. My name is Apurva Vinod Kumbhare. I belongs to Sant Jnaneshwar Ward, Hinganghat. Talking about my education, I have just completed my 10th standard and now I will be entered in 11th. As we all know that SSC and HSC board examination has been cancelled. So after conducting the CET exam or CET exam will be conducted in July or in first week of August, might be, I don't know about it. So after conducting a CET exam or after securing the good rank in a CET exam, I will definitely admit myself in the GBM Mohta for the further education of 11th and 12th. So talking about my hobbies are writing, also acting. I think I am a good actor. And talking about my means another hobby that is I am developing in myself, that is painting. Means I am trying to do painting. I don't know I am excellent or not in that. That was not issue. And talking about my family, there are only 3 members in my family. Means I have a small family, not big. Okay, so there are only 3 members in my family, that is myself, my father and my mother. So my father is a tailor and mother is housewife, and I am here in front of you. So talking about this class, why did I join this class? So actually I was brilliant in my class. That was not actual issue, I think so. Means I have joined this class before 4 years. I have completed recently my 4 years, and means when I was just 12-year-old, I was actually brilliant in my class, but actually I was weak in English and science because I used to memorize all the answers and used to write in paper. So I used to waste my all the time in memorizing the answers or whatever kind of thing I used to do there. So that was my weak point. But there was my one friend, her name is Khushi, and she used to write all the answers without preparing to, and she was excellent and fluent in English. So I just asked her that what is the reason behind your English. So she answered me that the reason behind my English is the Vandile coaching classes. So I get shocked because I have read the Vandile coaching classes on the many walls of many people's house. That is written on the walls. So I got shocked and I decided, means by taking her suggestion, I decided to join this class, and so this was the reason why did I join the class. Talking about my experience of 10 days, not only the experience of 10 days, I am going to explain the experience of whole my 4 years. Okay guys, so talking about my first day, as we all know that we face the different kind of fear whenever we enter the class firstly. Such type of fear I also faced because I was not able to speak English. I was too poor in English. So when I came to the class at the first day, I was totally late by the 15 minutes. So I got the last chair of the, I got a last chair which was placed at the last of the class. And I sat there as sir was knowing that I am new. So sir made a place for me and I settled myself in the place situated by sir. So at the first day I have made only one friend. That was Shivanjali, and sir started to teach from tens, and means actually I was already trained in tens. That was not issue for me. So I used to answer the maximum questions to the sir. So as we all know that my vocabulary was too poor at the starting, or many of you guys also might have a poor vocabulary. Such things were happening with me also. So I used to answer the maximum questions. Whatever I used, means I was able to speak. So I completed my tenses, and at the last of first day, my friend Shivanjali said me that, hey dear, complete your basic first, then we will enter to the third hall. Okay, that was not third hall. I want to explain our whole hall. Means there were 3 halls. Means in the first hall, sir used to teach to the students as sir are now also teaching to you all. In the second hall, the student of sir used to teach to the freshers. Okay, and after in a third hall, means that was not a hall, that was the roof of sir's old house. So there we have to face the 5 staircases, and there was means the roof where we used to play GD. So she said me that we should go to play GD. So she created a different kind of curiosity in my mind. And as I was coming to the class, whenever I was coming to the class, I used to peep inside, peep behind the door. So I used to find only a cooler, means there was a cooler which was placed in the door. So I was unable to see behind the cooler. So I was saying that only. So talking about that, means I was unable to see whatever, I don't know what was there. So I completed my basic. I used to mumble the tenses or mumble any construction for 4 to 5 times in a per day. Okay, means I used to complete my all the homeworks. I used to do extra homeworks for working or making me fluent. I studied a lot for that, and I completed my basic first. And after completing my basic, sir said me that now you are able to enter in GD. So as sir told that the curiosity was always going on increasing. So I just took my bag and went to the next hall. So I found that a student is teaching to the another students who are fresher, who haven't completed their 10s also. So I ignored that and I entered in a third hall, and I get shocked. There were 5 staircases which I had to face. So I entered in that roof, and I found that there were all the seniors of mine. They have made a circle and they were speaking in English, and just another guy used to oppose them. I was not getting that what is this, and I was totally unable to understand about them. So I observed all the GD, and I got one similar face, a face drawn, that was a Shivanjali. I called her that please come here. I asked her that what is this and what are they doing here and why have they seated in a circle. So I just asked her. So she said me that this is a GD and we used to speak in English. Means topic is given by our monitor and we have to just explain our views on the topic. So she explained all the things in English, and as I had completed my basic only, so I was unable to speak in English, but I was not knowing that what is she speaking. I was also unable to understand English after completing my basic also. So after that, I said yes, okay, because I was not getting anything. Even I was just acting that I am knowing everything. That okay, ठीक है, I am knowing that. Okay. So at the first day I observed all the GD, and at the last of that day our monitor Pratik Burile gave us a topic that was the mobile is good or bad. As we all know that we all have mobile, right? And we have the more information about mobile. That was my first topic of GD. So that was too easy topic for me. I just wrote down in the book and I went to the home. I prepared a lot. A whole day I spent for the preparing purpose. And after preparing a lot, at the next day I came for the GD, and I was fully encouraged, and with full optimism I sat in the GD. And as the GD started, all seniors were snatching my chances. I was not getting a single chance. All my confidence get lost, and I was totally blank. I had no chance because all my seniors used to take my chance. They were snatching, grabbing chance. They were not giving me a single chance to speak, because actually I had many points, but I was not having a chance. But I was just there and seeing all those. So my monitor, my Pratik Burile sir, he gave me a single chance, and at that single chance I spoke a single sentence, that is mobile has the internet which give us information. And this is my first and last sentence in my first GD. Miss, I will really like to explain you that. Miss, that was my condition at that time. Whenever you will, I think you will, whenever you will sit in GD, that will be your condition too. So that was my first and last point. Actually, sir, whenever I used to mumble the tenses or anything in front of all of guys, sir used to just encourage me. Means he used to appreciate me, which were increasing my confidence day by day. So that's a plus point of sir, I want to say. So in such a way, I spent my first GD. After that, day by day, I was doing improvement in myself. I used to study a lot. I had completed my payment to the sir. So I used to do the 4 batches. Means at the first batch was of 7 to 9. Another was of 9 to 11. Third was of 4 to 5, and 4 to 5 that was a batch for the freshers only, and another batch was 5 to 7. Means I used to spend my maximum 8 hours in the sir's class, because that was my hard work. I want to appreciate to those also. So in this way, I just completed my GD. We used to conduct many programs. Many means we have conducted the Teachers' Day on the 23 July. And we have conducted the Independence Day on 27 May. Means we used to conduct any programs at any day, and we used to enjoy it a lot. For the preparation of the anchoring and the speeches, we used to come at 2 o'clock at afternoon. Means myself and my friend Shivanjali, we used to come at 2 o'clock for the preparation purpose. We used to prepare ourselves from 2 to 5, and after that we used to sit in the batch of sir for 5 to 7. In such a way we used to spend our time, and we have conducted many programs. There were our seniors who were the chief guest, or we were used to bifurcate the posts to them, positions to them, and in such a way we have conducted the drama also, the drama of psycho thriller. That means there was a story. Now also it is available on in the sir's book, that is I think Shabdakosh book. There is a story of intimate friend. That in that drama I was a psycho thriller. In such a way we have conducted many dramas, drama of Mullah Nasruddin, and in such a way we developed ourselves, and that was my journey. In this way I completed my first year. Talking about the second year, in second year there were lots of senior, and they were our friends. We were all colleagues, and we used to play GD every day. We used to enjoy the class a lot. After that, at the third year I could not come because actually my 10th classes were going on, so I was unable to come. But now as my 10th is over, I thought that I must come back in the class. So now I am once again here talking about the value of English in my life. So English is such a language which can be used in at any place at any time. But talking about me, whenever I used to speak the English in front of my friends, they used to say me that जास्त इंग्लिश नको झाडू. माहित आहे म्हणते किती हुशार आहे म्हणते तू, म्हणते आम्हाला म्हणते काय जास्त झाडून राहिली म्हणते. I faced such a problem. I'm truly saying so. So after that I never used English in front of my friends because they were just answering me like that. So I was feeling that means they were used to insult me. So I was feeling so bad. So I was not using English properly in front of them. But even English gave me a value in front of my, made me able to speak in front of my teachers. English is such a thing that provide me a popularity in my school, that if you will, anyone of you, if you will go to the Ambedkar school and ask my name, each and every teacher is able to tell my name. Okay, this value I got because of this class, because I got confidence to speak on stage. I spoke a lot. I have delivered many speeches in my school, and that really gave me a popularity. Also, I have conducted many exams in English which were in English, and I have secured many marks in that. So English is such a thing which have gifted me a popularity. So I'm very thankful to the English and thankful to the sir, that thank you for making me able to speak in front of all. And talking about the leadership and monitoring, I will really like to lead you all, as now I am back. Talking about my SWOT analysis, my strength is I am good actor. And talking about my weakness, that I am trying to draw the pictures or 3D picture from the last 4 months, but now also I am unable to do that. So that is my weakness. And talking about my opportunity, as temporary opportunity I have, that I have to lead you, I think so. And my threat is I fear to darkness. So thank you all guys, and I will definitely say you that you should also spend your lots of time here, that sir is the person who will definitely make you able to speak English. As we know the example of potter, he shapes the pot and he make it beautiful. You all know, as like a sir shapes our English daily, so you must spend your lots of time here. And thank you, I'm speaking a lot, I think so. I want to rest here.